All right, today we're going to be talking about a 6F55, and the car that it's out of is a 2018 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor with a 3.7. So this is a problem that first time I'm seeing, and when I come across these things, I like to it's going to be a quick video just to share with you guys. So I get a call. This transmission was done probably 10 months ago. And I get a call from the municipality that we do their police cars. And they says that we are having the car towed to you because there is a leak. I said, okay, no problem. And he didn't really go into any extent of anything other than that there's a leak. Fine. So the flatbed shows up because it is an all-wheel drive, and I guess to maybe get some power steering, he started the car and rolled it down the flatbed. And I'm telling you, the fluid was pouring out like you open up a faucet. So I told him, said, shut it down. And then of course after that it just dripped until there was no more fluid that was ever coming out, and stopped. And we got it inside. It appeared to be coming out of the front. But 6F55s, never really seen these things leak out of the front. So we got it up in the air. There's a little plastic cover we take down, and then had one of the guys go up there and start it, and within a few seconds it just started pouring out. But I'm looking, and I can see fluid kind of over by the transfer case that's attached to the transmission, and it's running down the side inside of the bell housing and to the center and then down. So I'm thinking, it's a police car. They beat the heck out of it, probably put a hole in the case. So I said that it has to be it, because I really don't know what else it could be with it leaking that bad. So we get finally put it on the schedule, get it inside, and transmission comes out. The technician pulls the converter out, quickly. He says, no, the front seal is dry. So we know it's not anything like that. But the whole bell housing is everything is soaked, and I'm looking around and I'm feeling it. And I don't see, looking on top, I don't see anything. And then the technician says, here, come over here, look at this. And he shows me the converter. And this is the converter here. And the converter on the back plate actually split open. So probably what happened here is these converters, of course, when we do an overhaul, we always change the converter. So the clutch on this particular one probably was bad. I don't know if this is the same one or if it's a stock one, because it's it's so long ago, so 10 months, 11 months. But when they build these and the clutch is no good, which sits back here, I guess they turn down the back cover with a lathe to get it nice and smooth, and maybe this one was turned down a little too thin, and after 11 months, the thing just split open. So I'm gonna blow some air in there. You can see the fluid coming out. But this is the first time that I ever had something like this happen to me. We do a lot of everything here. But we do plenty of 6F50, 6F55. I just finished a couple days ago 2 6F35s. So we do plenty of it. And this is really the first time that I've seen this happen, and I also know of some people, because I was inquiring about it, that when it comes to these converters, I guess because the clutch sits on the back cover and the clutch goes bad a lot, and then when the rebuilders, I guess they turn it down. But a lot of some shops that I was in contact with, via email and stuff, says we usually try to get new. I guess maybe this had happened to them before. But this is the first time I've seen it, so I just wanted to share it with you. I'm going to get a little closer. I'll show you where the converter split, and I'll blow some air so you can see some of the fluid coming out. But again, you know, this first time I came across this, and this kind of stuff I like to share with you guys. So let me just get a little closer here, and I'll show you this and just be a quick video.